Hi, in this video I will be demonstrating how to use the torch functionality on your Aspera F40. The first thing to do is to open the phone. You'll notice there are three buttons on the right hand side of the phone. There's volume up, which turns up the volume, volume down, which turns down the volume, and the torch function. Press the torch button and the torch will turn on. To turn off the torch, press it again and it will turn off. Please note, however, by closing the app, the torch turns off. This is also the same case if you close the app from closing the lid. The other way to turn on the torch function is to press the notifications button and scroll to the flashlight, and you can turn it on from here and turn it off here. Thank you for watching this video.